video, we are going to see how to make this simple and easy cutlery holder. So without wasting much time, let's begin.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Your Crochet.
We'll start with a foundation chain, slip knot and 6 chains. Slip stitch into the very first chain and make a ring. We'll be working into this ring 12 double crochets. Chain 4, this will be our first double crochet plus a chain 1. Chain 3 will be our first double crochet plus a chain 1. So this round will be double crochets plus chain 1. Double crochet, chain 1, again double crochet. We'll repeat this until we have 12 chain spaces. 12 chain 1 spaces. So here we have 11 chain spaces, 12th one, chain 1 and slip stitch into the third chain of the first chain 4s we did. So our first round is done. Now chain 1 and single crochet into the very same space, that is on top of the double crochet. 2 single crochets into the chain space. So this round we will be working single crochets on top of double crochets, and into chains 1 space we will be working 2 double crochets. So in each stitch, in each set of stitches we will be having 3 single crochets. So just repeat this: single crochet, 1 single crochet on top of double crochet, and into the chain space work 2 single crochets. All around will work. And with 2 single crochets and slip stitch into the very first single crochet. So round 2 is done. Now for round 3 we are going to work chains. So 10 chains. Slip stitch into the very same space where we started our chain. Now slip stitch into the next 6 single crochets. Again we are going to repeat our chain 10. Slip stitch into the very same space and into next 6 stitches. Four, 5 and 6. In the same space we will work 10 chains. So just repeat this all around. So here we have reached the end almost. Last slip stitch we will be working into the chain 10 space. Now into this chain 10 space we are going to work double crochet. So yarn over, insert, pull up. We have 3 loops, pull through 2, again pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 double crochets, chain 3. Now we have these 2 loops, insert into this and work a slip stitch. So picot is done, chain 3, picot. Again we are going to work double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So into this chain 10 space we have worked 7 double crochets, a chain 3 picot, again 8 double crochets. Now slip stitch into the next chain loop, that is chain 10 loop, and again repeat working our double crochets. Yarn over and work 7 double crochets. Chain 3 picot, eight double crochets. Slip stitch into the next chain 10 and continue working. So here we have reached the end. Slip stitch into the starting slip stitch, the first one which we did into the chain 10 loop. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Here in the loose ends and our cutlery holder is ready. So here I have made 6 pieces. You can make the required number according to your table size. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. So until we meet with yet another project, take care, stay safe.